Amazon Redshift and Matillion ETL tool is enabling Makerbot to fulfill its vision to become customer-centric.
Makerbot is the largest desktop 3D printing company in the world. We have more than 100,000 customers using our printers, and we also run the largest 3D parts community in the industry, which we manage more than 2 million active users a month and more than 1.5 million projects on the community. We empower our customers by giving them a platform and an experience that they can iterate much quicker into their product design cycle. In a click of a button, they can just print their idea in a prototype and see what is the next iteration is. Kids that they lose their part of their body, for example their hand, they just go into a Makerbot printer and they print their prosthetic hand. And as they grow, they can change their prosthetic hand almost every week and every month because the cost of the prosthetic hand is like a few dollars instead of a few $1,000s for a real prosthetic hand. Today, with AWS Marketplace and Matillion, we know exactly what our customers need.
I was hired to build the data warehousing infrastructure for Makerbot. What I was able to do very quickly was build up a Redshift cluster, put Matillion on top of that to orchestrate the builds of the data, and basically enable the company to get a 360 view of the customer. I thought this is a great combination. I can really do stuff with both the Redshift and Matillion working together. We have about 8 or 9 source systems. We're pulling data into the warehouse, as well as in the cloud. We have in-company on-premise databases as well, both MySQL, PostgreSQL. We have Microsoft SQL Server databases as well, Salesforce and Marketo in the cloud. Magento is MySQL. So Matillion makes a lot of this very easy. They have the native components that will allow me very quickly to point at these data sources and pull the data. AWS Marketplace is supporting our rapid innovation and agility by having the right software there, allowing me to test it, to spin it up, to pay for it by the hour if I want to. And if we like it, we want to keep it, we can put in a longer term commitment and get a discount. And if we don't like it, I just turn it off. Integrated billing on AWS Marketplace is very slick, very straightforward. One place, one dashboard where all my costs appear.
They are enabling the engineering and the developers to just bypass the traditional finance process and get their things done. Makerbot and also AWS are putting the customer in the center and provide them the platform to just go into the market faster.